हाय फ्रेंड्स, आपका स्वागत है प्रो स्टॉक मार्केट में। आज 3 अक्टूबर को खबर निकल कर सामने आई है कि LIC अपने ड्राफ्ट पेपर्स सबमिट कर देगी सेबी के पास बाय द नेक्स्ट मंथ। लाइक LIC इज़ लाइकली टू फाइल ड्राफ्ट पेपर्स विद सेबी बाय द नवंबर तक LIC ड्राफ्ट पेपर सबमिट कर देगी। नवंबर फॉर द लार्जेस्ट IPO। सरकार के ऑफिशियल ने बताया कि ये देश का सबसे बड़ा इतिहास का IPO होगा। वी टारगेट टू ब्रिंग द IPO। हमारा लक्ष्य IPO लाने का दिस फिजिकल ईयर, इसी फिजिकल ईयर में, एंड वी हैव सेट स्ट्रिक्ट टाइमलाइन, और हमने समय सीमा निर्धारित कर दी है। द DRHP वुड बी फाइल्ड बाय नवंबर तक DRHP फाइल्ड हो जाएगा। द ऑफिशियल टोल्ड PTI द government last month appointed 10 merchant bankers, including Goldman Sachs, India Securities PVT Ltd, Citigroup Global Market India PVT Ltd, and Nomura Finance Advisory and Securities India PVT Ltd to manage the mega initial public offering of the country largest insurer LIC. Other selected bankers including SBI Capital Market Ltd, JM Financial Ltd, Axis Capital Ltd, BofA Securities, JP Morgan India PVT Ltd, ICICI Securities Ltd, and Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Ltd. Once the draft read hearing prospectus DRHP is filed, merchant bankers will hold global and domestic roadshow for the investor by the January, the official said. Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas has been appointed as legal advisor for the IPO. The government is aiming to list the insurance behemoth within the current fiscal year ending March. The ministry is in the process of estimating the embedded value of the life insurer, and once that is won, the ministerial panel on the disinvestment will decide to the government stake that will be divested through IPO. The official said the government has appointed the actuarial firm Minimum Advisor LLP India to compute the embedded value of LIC ahead of the initial public offering. The government is also mulling allowing foreign investors to pick up the stake in the country's largest insurer LIC. As per SEBI rule, foreign portfolio investors FPIs are permitted to buy shares in a public offer. However, since the LIC Act has no provision for foreign investment, there is a need to align to the proposed LIC IPO with SEBI norms regarding foreign investor participation. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs had in July cleared the initial public offering proposal of life insurance of the India. The listing of LIC will be crucial for the government in meeting its largest disinvestment target of rupees 1.75 lakh crore for 2021-22 April-March. So far this fiscal, rupees 9110 crore has been mopped up through minority stake sales in PSU and sale of SUUTI stake in Axis Bank. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you like this video. Thank you.